Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Lion Market with another video. So this is coming from Opobo, and it's coming from H.E. Peter and the Executive Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Choma Otti, and they had this wonderful time in Bayelsa, Opobo to be precise, in Bayelsa, and they were there for the wife of Peterside, Awune Peterside, and it was I would say an awesome time. They were there for the family, the Peterside family, and they all said a lot. You know. I laid my hands on some few clips, and I'll play them here for you. But before then, there's actually a press statement that came out of this one that I just have to read it out to you guys. You know, the media team in Abia State are actually doing a great job. And yes, it's helping loads and loads of us, because for every event like this, they always find out time to either video or give a press statement of what really happened at the event. So I'm just going to read this out. And it said, earlier today, September 1st, His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti, OFR, alongside His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi, attended the Thanksgiving service by the family of late Princess Patricia Boloba Amune Peterside at St. Paul's Church, Opobo Town, Rivers State. Late Patricia Boloba Amune Peterside, mother of the founder of Stanbic IBTC Bank, PLC, ANAP Business Jets Limited, and ANAP Foundation. Mr. Atedo Peterside, CON, who died at age 99, was buried on 24th of August 2024. Speaking during the Thanksgiving splash outing service, Governor Otti described Mr. Atedo Peterside as a senior friend and mentor, brother, and man who represents everything good in Nigeria. The event attracted dignitaries of all walks of life. This is like, I'll say, the official press statement. A lot of beautiful dignitaries were there. It was not just Mr. Peter Obi alone. We had the likes of Aisha Yesufu. You guys should know Aisha Yesufu. And yes, he was there too. I know there's other amazing people in the beautiful city of Rivers State, Opobo to be precise. And yeah, it was an awesome event. We've got to know that this Atedo, Mr. Atedo, is actually a banker and has been there too. So I believe one way or the other, they will definitely have a connection between Alex Otti, Peter Obi, and all of them. Anyway, I decided to share with you guys. This is a little clip I could get from there. Enjoy this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.